If you are someone who likes things to be neatly packaged and handed to you, this is not the field for you. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Yellowtail, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. So today I want to talk about how the process will generally take longer than you think. Now, people usually come into the IT industry with an unrealistic idea of what it actually takes to make this work. Let's take certifications, for example. Some people are going to fail on the first try. That's a fact. But that doesn't mean much though. In fact, I challenge you to find an IT professional with multiple certifications who hasn't failed a certification exam once or twice. The idea is to be able to keep your eyes on the prize despite minor setbacks. Your job is to keep the momentum and use the setbacks as an opportunity to improve your skills and go back at it as soon as possible. Secondly, we all know that in order to make it into IT, it requires work. But do you really understand and appreciate the amount of work it actually takes? It will take more hours of study than you might think. It will require you to go the extra mile. In fact, this is actually a great way for you to test your commitment and find out how bad you really want this. You will have to be more resourceful than you think. If you are someone who likes things to be neatly packaged and handed to you, this is not the field for you. You will have to be proactive, be curious, and also be willing to dive in and do independent research. Because in a training environment, and at work especially, being a self-starter will be your most important asset. And lastly, when it comes to the job finding process, you have to allow the law of averages to work in your favor. In order for it to work, you have to play it out on a large sample. Most people, they go into a few interviews, they don't get the job, and they get discouraged. But it's rarely that straightforward. You have to get into the mindset of letting the interviews be an occasion to assess your gap in knowledge and improve on them. Now, we don't promise overnight results, but if you're looking for a team to support you throughout the process of getting into IT, check us out at yellowtail.tech. See what we're about. If it looks like a good fit, schedule a career strategy session with our team and let's talk about it. And of course, if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.